During the People Power Revolution of 1986, ako po ay isa na pong kadete, plebo. I was a plebe in 1986 when the People Power Revolution happened. And so, our classes were suspended. We were issued one magazine of M14 ammunition. And we were told to wait in our barracks. We were listening to the radio para malaman namin kung ano ang nangyayari sa EDSA. And so we were aware of what was happening until the time that the former president left the country and President Corazon Aquino took over. In 1987, March 18 of 1987, tandang-tanda ko pa dahil yun po ay birthday ko, March 18. The Cadet Corps was formed here like this in our parade ground. We were rehearsing for the graduation rites of PMA Class 1987. 2 days before the graduation. And you know what happened that day? This grandstand was blown to pieces. Pinasabog nila ang grandstand na ito on March 18, 1987. The target was our former President, Corazon Aquino. She was supposed to attend the graduation rites 2 days later. Pero sumakop po yung bomba 2 days before their target date. At marami pong may namatay po dito na mga officer, maraming nasugatan during that time. And we were there in the parade ground. We were shocked because we saw this grandstand, our beloved Borromeo Field, become the site of a gruesome attack. That same year, 1987, nagkaroon po ng kudeta sa Metro Manila. At ang mga kadete, ang first class po namin noon ay PMA Class 1988. And the first classmen decided to join the rebel forces after the influence and the prodding of some of the tactical officers who were assigned here. Mga kapitan. So, na-influence nila ang Cadet Corps na magdeklara na sumama sila sa mga rebel forces.